Hello, and welcome to the psychology major. As part of the major requirement, all students must complete research credits within the psychology department through the SONA system in order to graduate. In this video, I will show you how to set up your account, how to earn credits, and how to make sure you are fulfilling your requirement to graduate. In order to graduate, all psychology majors must complete 12 credits, specifically allocated towards the Psychology Research Experience component, sometimes referred to as the REC. The way this is tracked is on a third-party website called SONA. First, navigate to the SONA website at newpaltz.sona-systems.com. If you do not already have an account, create one now using your SUNY New Paltz email address and user ID, which is the first part of your email address before the @ symbol. Once you fill out the request account form, you will be contacted via email with your login information and password. Once you get this, return to the SONA website and enter this information to get started. The first time you log in, you will be asked to answer some questions that researchers may use to determine eligibility in their studies. After logging in, navigate to your profile to add courses and track your credits earned. To begin earning credits towards the Research Experience component graduation requirement for psychology majors, or for any other classes, click the blue Change Courses buttons on the right. From there, you can add courses like Intro Psychology, which requires students to earn SONA research credits, other courses where faculty allow students to earn extra credit by completing SONA research credits, or the Research Experience component. Though the REC is not actually a class that you take, it is coded as a course on the SONA website in order to keep track of your progress towards the 12-credit requirement. If you clicked on the wrong course by mistake, just click on it again when it appears in the right-hand column to unselect it. Click Save Changes once you have selected all the courses you would like to add. Now that you have added courses, you can begin earning credits towards them, either for course credit or towards the Research Experience component for psychology majors. To find a study to participate in, navigate to the home page, and then click on the green View Available Studies button. Then you can select a study you'd like to participate in and sign up for a time slot. When signing up for a study, click on the drop-down menu to select which course you would like to assign credit for participation in this study, which can include the REC. Once you have completed a study, you can confirm that your credit was added to the correct course by navigating to your profile by clicking on the My Profile button at the top right-hand of your page. If credits are marked as pending for an online study, this likely means that an internal error has occurred. Please reach out to the subject pool coordinators at psychadvisor@newpaltz.edu to request assistance with marking your credits as complete. If possible, please send a screenshot of the completed study page. For in-person studies or approved talks for SONA credit, it may take a bit longer for credits to move from pending to completed. Please check your SONA account and email the subject pool coordinators if it is not marked as complete within a week of your participation in a talk or in-person study. Please note that credits can only count towards one course. This means that if I attribute SONA credits towards my Intro Psychology course, they cannot also count towards my Research Experience component for my psychology major graduation requirement. If you see that SONA credits have been attributed to a different course than you intended, email the psychology advisors at psychadvisor@newpaltz.edu to ask if they can change it. If you've already received course credit for your SONA credits in the past, they cannot be reassigned to a different course. See the Frequently Asked Questions page for more information on transferring credits and other questions about SONA. Lastly, once you have completed all of your credits towards your research experience component graduation requirement, make sure to email the subject pool coordinators at psychadvisor@newpaltz.edu so it can be marked as complete on your progress report. Good luck, and thank you for participating in research at SUNY New Paltz.